Dr. Alibi here from Stuart Chiropractic. I'm going to show you a nerve flossing exercise that you can do if you're getting pain down your arm or numbness and tingling. Often the nerves can get caught up in the neck, but also along the pathways that go into our fingers. The first way that you're going to do the stretch is actually you're going to tilt your head. If this is the affected side, you're going to bring your ear towards your shoulder. I'm going to start with my hand here on my chest, and I'm going to bring my hand out in this position like this with my fingertips pointing towards the back wall. You notice how my fingers are flicking back like this. I'm going to hold this position here for 10 seconds. Good. Now I'm going to bring my hand back on my chest here, and I'm going to bring my opposite ear towards my shoulder. If I want a deeper stretch, I'm going to take my hand from this side that my head is tilted to. I'm going to pull down on my collarbone and take a deep breath in, breathe out, and take the stretch a little bit further. Then I'm going to go back to neutral and then bring my ear towards this side, and I'm going to flick my fingers back to the back wall again and hold this for 10 seconds. You're going to switch back and forth between this flossing position here to here, holding each side for 10 seconds. And what we're doing, just like flossing your teeth, you're flossing that nerve back and forth. What we don't want to be doing is this, where we're pulling the nerve from the fingers and the neck at the same time. You guys, let me know how this exercise works for you. You should notice some difference right after doing the exercise. Take care.